Hey, John Ferguson Smart here. I had a question about how to make test automation code more robust, higher quality. And here's a very simple trick. If you don't do anything else, try this trick, because I can guarantee it will make your test code more robust, more reliable, and easier to understand and maintain. Because maintenance really is the big thing here. It's not how long it takes to write the initial test script. It's how much effort it takes to maintain it, to understand it, to keep it running. So that is really, really key. And the trick here is keep each part, any particular block of code, simple. Now that's easy to say, but in concrete terms, what I mean is that if you have a Cucumber Gherkin scenario, keep the length simple. Don't have more than 5, maximum 8 or 10 lines in your Gherkin scenario. 5 lines in a Gherkin scenario is a decent size. More than that, starts to get hard to maintain. If you're writing a test, a normal JUnit or testng test, or the equivalent in JavaScript, any method, your test method should not have more than 5 to 10 lines in it. If it has more than that, it will be hard to understand. If it has complex logic in it, it will be hard to understand. Anything inside that test or inside a step definition, if you're doing Cucumber, should be limited to 5 to 10 lines long. If it's more than that, refactor it out into a method or an object. And then inside that method or an object, that will focus on doing a single thing, a single job that you can reuse. You'll find you'll get a lot more reuse in other tests and other steps that way. So there's a whole lot of flow-on effects from this idea of keeping every part of your code simple and short and concise, that it has huge benefits, makes the test way more easy to maintain. So that's just a little trick. Hope that helps.